My name is John Dunstan, and I'm the UK sales manager for us, Atlantic Microwave. In the UK, it is our RF and microwave component sales that's been our biggest achievements, and not just into long-term projects, but also across the whole market sectors. We've had success everywhere: government, science, broadcast, aerospace, and radio telecoms. The trend is, because we're good at bespoke components, we're working with the top UK universities on many different innovative projects, and that will lead into the UK industry in the future. In the UK, we're expanding into non-traditional market verticals. So our broad range of RF and microwave components are finding favour outside broadcast, defence and telecoms, and that's where we're finding our growth. Of course, it's business as usual for us, apart from the fact that our customers are now working from home, or often are. So we need our skills in Zoom, Skype, Teams. Personally, I find a good coffee machine has been my best friend. And that's our top tip. Thank you.